In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Mailjet API key and secret key. If you're integrating Mailjet with an app, plugin, or automation tool, you'll need your API credentials. These are a pair, the API key and the secret key. Think of the API key as an identifier and the secret key as the password that authorizes access. Handle both carefully and never share them publicly. Start by heading to mailjet.com and signing into your account. Use the same login you normally use for your Mailjet dashboard. If you manage multiple workspaces or sub-accounts, make sure you're in the correct one before proceeding, so you grab the credentials for the right environment. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the top right corner for your profile icon or name. Click it and choose Account Settings or simply Settings, depending on the interface version you see. In the Settings area, look for the REST API section and select API Key Management. Sometimes this area is labeled Primary and Sub-Accounts. That's normal, and it just means you can view credentials for your main account as well as any sub-accounts you've created. If you do see multiple accounts listed, pick the one you want to connect to your application. On the API Key Management page, you'll find your API key displayed. This is the value you'll paste into your integration's configuration. Click the Copy button to avoid typos, and when you paste it elsewhere, double-check that you haven't added extra spaces. On this same page, you'll also see the paired secret key. Depending on your interface, it might be visible, partially hidden, or behind a Reveal button. If you're prompted to regenerate the secret, be aware that doing so will invalidate the old one, so update any apps that rely on it right away. A few best practices before you wrap up. Store both values securely, ideally in environment variables or a secrets manager rather than hard-coding them into your code or committing them to a repository. Limit who has access to these credentials, especially if you collaborate with a team. If you use sub-accounts to separate projects or environments, keep each integration on its own sub-account to prevent cross-project confusion and to simplify access control. And if you suspect a key has leaked, rotate it immediately from this same API Key Management page. That's all you need to locate and copy your Mailjet API key and secret key. Sign in, open Account Settings, go to REST API and API Key Management. Then copy the credentials you need. Keep them secure, and you'll be ready to connect Mailjet to your tools with confidence.